Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to try and get my life together in my A5 Discbound planner. Alright, hey guys, how's it going? So last week I did not do an A5 plan with me. I was not feeling very well, so for the most part I took last week off. But this week I'm feeling a bit better, so it's time to get my life together. But while I was off, I actually semi-decorated this with a planner press dash box. Baby planner nerd's in the background doing some schoolwork. Say hi, baby planner nerd. Hi. So if you hear random noises, it's her fault. So yeah, I got the planner press digital dash box. It was only 10 bucks per month, and so I, added some things like some journal cards, some cute little die cuts. I made this washi tape holder from some leftover foil. I made this dashboard from some leftover foil after foiling this bad boy. Isn't it pretty? With some pink foil. And my laminator tried to eat it. It has battle scars, but it's still pretty. And I also, look at that. Look how cute that is. It's cute little top knots and espresso shots. Although I don't mess with espresso because I choose life. It'll try and kill me. Added some little, what is this? What are these? Post-its. I have this cute little dashboard. Isn't it cute? I mean, I didn't go decorating crazy because I cannot. I have like 2 pieces of vellum here. I made another one. I made another foiled dashboard with the clip art from the kit. Like seriously, it's worth the $10. You get everything in every size planner you can possibly imagine. Dashboards, clip art, vellum, journal cards, like you can make your own die cuts. Like it's pretty awesome. Some foiling overlay options. The list is endless with how much you get for $10. All you have to do is print it yourself. This one's my favorite because this is like my continuous state. And I also made this cute little pouch. Isn't it cute? With some vellum and my laminator. And I put my So Very Busy anti-social bunnies. It says Bye Felicia. It's my fave. I haven't used them yet because I don't know what purpose I'm going to use them for in my planner. Maybe I should have used that for last week's Bye Felicia. But last week I did not do a plan with me, so this was last week's doodle. I drew some apple cider, even though it kind of looks like beer, but whatevs. So I did all of this off camera. I didn't do the grid because I just really wasn't in the mood to like do anything. Like on my master to do, I got like 3 things done. I couldn't. And then I tried to do my Inktober because look at this. It's supposed to be an exhausted bunny. It looks like a meatball. I don't know. I tried. I don't know. He looks nauseous. Whatever it is. But yeah, over the weekend we did a lot of traveling. We went to Chicago to support one of my friends who ran the Chicago Marathon. She completed it. I'm really proud of her. And we visited some family, and I went to Michael's with my oldest niece because she has I gifted her own little Happy Planner student planner, so I took her to get her first sticker book for her planner. And then after that I got sick, and I was pretty much like almost near useless for the week. Like Wednesday, this was my to-do list: zip, zilch, nothing, nada, 9, nothing. But I also managed to snag a ticket to the Chicago Planner Conference, which is happening in February, so I was pretty excited about that. It was an experience. I'm not sure I want to experience again trying to get one, but at 8:07 I got in. I like all the workshops. It was so the workshops I was signing up for, they were filling up so fast. I had to keep going back and trying to find workshops that I can actually get. And yeah, by the end I didn't even know what workshops I was in anymore. Like whatever, I'll just I'm doing what I'm doing when I get there, I guess. So right now I'm pulling out all my pre-plans. Like my pre-plans are all over the place. I bought these and to see how they would work as a pre-plan sheet in lieu of this, because I don't know, I'm in the process of thinking about my 2019 planner situation. So I'm trying to find alternatives to printing more paper. And I don't know, like it's really tiny. I mean, I like that it's tiny, but I need to figure out how I can fit everything on this sheet. So I have like Post-its, this piece from one of my, from my traveler's notebook, my usual pre-plan, and this little extra, it's everywhere. My pre-plan is everywhere. So I'm gonna first knock out this week's doodle. It's cold, so I kind of drew like a little version of myself freezing under the blankets, because that's pretty much the state I've been in this whole time, is under a blanket, because it went from 90 something degrees to like 35 degrees with a quickness, and I cannot. I tried to can, but I cannot with the cold. I'm not even gonna sit there and try and put up a front like I can last long without the heater. So yeah, let's get started with this doodle so we can plan out our week. So I can transfer all the dots of this week, which is the 14th through the 20th, week 42. Can you believe we only have like 10 weeks left in a year? Goodness. Week 42 onto the weekly overview. So what do I got? Okay, so we're gonna do our meal plans. I'm gonna use some stickers from the Happy Planner Mom book, some Chrissy Ann Designs stickers. I don't know which ones these are called. Like, the packaging does not say, but this is what it says. It says 5 sheets. Like, it doesn't say, but I think these are the Steve ones. So we have some Steves with regular, and then some with this silver foiling. We have some banners, some checklists, some birthday Steves, some, I don't know, emoji, whatever. And then we have some holidays and seasonal Steves. And then we have a whole bunch of game days. I'm not going to use these. Nobody here plays sports. So I'll probably end up giving those away or something, or trading them out with someone. But I'm going to be using some of these, and I'm also going to be using some stickers this week from the Etsy shop called Anxiety Aids. It's a Canadian sticker maker who is full of sarcasm, which I love. That's my love language, sarcasm. But yeah, let me start writing out some of my meal plan. I'm not going to do the whole thing, because I'm learning my lesson that it's kind of silly to try and fill out a week's worth of meal plans when I don't really stick to it. I need to get better about that. this is my meal plan this week so far. Throughout the week, probably around Thursday, I'll, update it Wednesday night. Yeah, probably around Wednesday night, Thursday. I'll write out the rest of our meal plan for the week, but I'm gonna keep going. This is what we're looking so far for my weekly overview, my meal plan, and my intentions list, things that I intend to knock out this week. So we're gonna move into our dailies. Now, usually I use this for baby planner nerds grid, but I really don't feel like drawing out a grid today. So we're just gonna wing it with my really crappy black Tombow. Okay, so this is what we're looking like this week. I've got my intention list done, my meal plan so far. I'll fill in the rest for the rest of the week. I have my baby planner nerd lazy tracker because where I will just fill in what she does instead of doing the big old checklist because I'm not in the mood. Sunday, today is pretty jam-packed, so there's a lot of shopping. There's a lot of school prep because we've been on break for the past week. We're gonna have our family dinner at IHOP because it's one of her favorites. And then me and Baby Planner Nerd are gonna watch Hotel Transylvania. On Monday, I'm just gonna be filming and posting and paying bills and running some errands, going to my Michaels to see if they actually have the Happy Planner releases out yet and their Christmas paper. Gotta go to the grocery store, figure out my Christmas planner inserts, and also start making notes of my quarterly review of my planner system. Things I want to change, things I may not want to change, things like that. Tuesday, still kind of busy. A lot of errands. I got to drop off some toner that I bought on Amazon that is not working with my printer, so I had to do that. I'm getting Happy Mail from a friend, and also my home management planner I'm going to be using for next year comes on Tuesday. This side's going to be for my Inktober, so that's why it's empty. Wednesday, it's just that's going to be my chore list. Obviously, when I go to work, I have to put in my grocery order. I'm gonna have to change these Papermate ink gels because they're already skipping, and I get another order. Like, for some reason, Michael split my order in two, and it's ridiculous. Thursday is pretty open, so I'm just probably going to fill that in as I need it during the week, as usual. Friday, I have some errands, and also I'm, posting on YouTube, trying to keep up with my schedule and work. Sad Steve for work because I don't want to. Saturday is empty. Again, throughout the week I fill in as I need to. So the only thing I really have planned is work. And as usual, this is my pre-plan for the next week because I'm not really sure about these little teeny weeny, itty bitty, tinky winky, Happy Planner sheets. I'm not really sure about these yet, so until I finish playing with them and figuring them out, I don't know if I'm going to be able to use them. But yeah. Oh yeah, you see my Gimpy Dementor? I tried. I mean, the prompt was guarded, and I tried a Dementor. I tried. I'm a work in progress. Whatevs. Alright, so that pretty much sums up my week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you'd like to see more of my videos, please click the subscribe button down below right there and hit the little bell next to it if you want to be notified for when I post my next video. Until next time, thank you for joining me. Bye!